Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Motorola Moto G62 5G. So this one is a 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, should be in a frosted blue color, and that's basically all information from the box that we might want to know. And the price for it goes around the $209 US on Amazon, as I'm currently checking, and it should have a screen size of 6.49 inches. So the box is not packed in any foil, it's protected by a sticker which we will need to cut. Inside, first thing is a phone itself. It has the foil applied. It's not the protective LCD foil, it's just a foil to be sure that it's new. And now let's unpack it. It's already they already put the protection on it, silicone case, and the color matches. It's a blue one, it's fine. Okay, next thing is a cardboard. Inside there's some instructions as well as the warranties and the SIM card needle if you need one. Here's a charger. That's a pretty basic charger, I would guess, but we're gonna check it in future videos. Right here is a cable which is USB to USB-C. And I think that's wired headphones. Yep, wired headphones with a jack plug. That's nice. And that's all for the box. Now we can move on to the phone itself. And yeah, we need to remove the foil from it. And here we can read that the display is 120 Hertz, as well as stereo speakers and 50 megapixel camera system. Let's try powering it on. Hopefully it's charged.
Hello, Moto.
First thing, when you open the phone, you'll need to choose a region or language for it. And here I'll be choosing the English. And let's use the British. Or it can be United Kingdoms. That's fine. And here we need to connect the phone to the mobile network, and we don't need to. That's a optional thing. So put in your SD card right here in the slot, and you should have the network set up. Another option is to use the Wi-Fi network, and here I'm gonna connect to this one, enter the password, accept to any privacy and software notice, and proceed. If you want to copy any apps or data with Google Backup, you can do it right now. I don't have it set up, so let's click on Don't Copy and skip that process. Now log into the Google account. You can skip it, but I would strongly recommend logging in, as it makes the setup much easier and phone more enjoyable. So let me log in. Here you can enable or disable any Google services, so adjust it to your liking and proceed by pressing on Accept. Choose your default search engine, and in this case let it be Google. You can optionally set up a PIN password for this phone. I'm gonna skip it. And here continue the setup or leave and get reminder. Let's leave the setup for now. And here you can use some of the Motorola services and allow the notifications. I'm gonna click on Not Now and Not Now again. Log into the Motorola account or sign up. Also, I'm gonna skip it. Choose a different theme, and here you can use a light or dark mode. And in this case, let's go with a dark mode, as it's more pleasant for the eyes. At least for me. Choose a different navigation style. There's buttons and gestures. So with buttons, you'll get these 3 buttons on the bottom. If you use gestures, you will need to navigate with your fingers all throughout the phone. And I prefer buttons, so let's get that. Now we're all set, and the phone should start unlocked. And now we can go for the settings. And here let's check the About Phone tab. Here's the device name, Moto G62 5G. There's also Android version, which is 12. Some email numbers for SIM slots and IP address, everything like that. I'm trying to look for any hardware information, yeah. And here it is, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. Display is in 2400 by 1080 resolution. Front camera has the 60 megapixels, rear camera has 50 megapixels plus 2 megapixels and 8 megapixel lenses. And NFC is supported. There's also dual SIM for this device. And that's basically all I could show you right now. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.